Hi, good morning. Kevin Martin here, your UT admissions guy, joining you today from Dallas, Texas to discuss the UT application transfer process. This is the first of a few videos I'll be releasing in December and January discussing tips, statistics, and admission strategy for fall 2019 external transfer applicants. In this video, I'm going to discuss the most recent admission statistics from the fall 2018 transfer application pool. I remember earlier this year whenever my clients and students across the state of Texas and nationwide were receiving their external transfer admissions decisions in April, May, and June, and it was quite surprising because there were a number of students that ordinarily I would have thought would have pretty good chances of gaining admission or having 3.789 and even some 4.0 GPAs that were not getting in to UT Austin across all majors, including historically competitive ones like business and engineering, but also kind of less competitive ones like liberal arts and communications. So my intuition was that for whatever reason, fall 2018 was a lot more competitive than in previous years. UT's just introduced their admission statistics from that application pool, and it's confirmed those suspicions and intuitions from myself and also people who were conjecturing on places like Reddit and College Confidential. It is the case that the average GPA increased for admitted students from fall 2017 to 2018. It increased from 3.7 to a 3.75 average GPA for applicants across all majors, and that kind of half of a tenth of a point is actually quite a big boost when you consider that in years past, for example, from fall 2012 to 2016, the average GPA range was between a 3.48 and about a 3.6. So certainly in the last 2 years, transfer admissions has become a lot more competitive. The in-state admissions rate was 28%, which was down from 37% in fall 2017, and the out-of-state applicant admissions numbers have decreased significantly down to about 12%. And that's in contrast with fall 2017, where almost double that non-Texas residents gained admission. So that means that UT Austin is becoming a lot more competitive for all external transfer applicants, and it kind of stimulates the question, why are things getting so competitive? Generally, UT Austin receives about 7,500 to 8,500 external transfer applications each year. Fall 2017 received about 8,200 applications. And so unlike first-time freshmen, which sees a linear increase from year to year, transfer numbers seem to kind of stay the same. But I think what was happening this past year was there was just a lot less spaces that were available for external transfers. UT Austin enrolled almost 9,000 first-time freshmen, which is up considerably from where they tend to enroll about 7,500 to 8,000 students. So my intuition is that there's simply less spaces available for transfers. There's also less students who are leaving UT Austin from freshman to sophomore year, something like a 96 to 97% retention rate, so there's just simply less spaces. So that means my recommendations, it used to be, I would say, if you had a 3.4 or 3.5 GPA, your chances of getting in are there, your GPA is within the range and the ballpark of being competitive. My new recommendation for all majors is a 3.6 GPA or higher. So that means earning mostly A's and maybe only a few B's. It just is the case that UT Austin for transfer is getting a lot more competitive, especially if what happened in 2017 and 2018 holds for this upcoming fall 2019. For more competitive majors like engineering, computer science, and business, my recommendation is a 3.9 GPA or higher, particularly a 4.0 in either prerequisite or STEM-related courses for those majors. And so in future videos, I'm going to provide specific advice and tips for engineering, computer science, and business applicants. So that means your essays and resume are going to be all the more important. Since a lot of students are applying with high GPAs, UT has to look at other criteria to make their admissions decisions. About half of the admissions process is that college GPA, and the other half is a review score that you receive, demonstrating your fit for your first choice major and your overall desirability from UT Austin's perspective. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be releasing a few more over the coming weeks. I also have a blog where I provide real student essays for SAE, SAA, and also commentary that kind of expands upon these points that I'm making here in this video. As always, if you enjoyed this film, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website, texadmissions.com. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day.